Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. So today we are going to look some great examples of Python if else. As you all know, in W3 school there were simple and not interesting examples. So today we will learn very good examples and interesting examples. So you would be thinking this editor is not looking like VS Code. Yes, this editor is Replit. It's a very good editor. I'm using this because my VS Code have little bit problems. So I'm using this editor. This is also very good like VS Code. Now let's come in our task. I will make first any variable. The variable should be a, then equal to, I can write then any data type like string, integer, or float, or whatever I want. I will write here int because I want my input as int. It's little bit new thing for you. Yes, I will make you understand it. And after that in brackets, I will write input. And after that, I will click tab. Why I click tab? Because here was an option. If I would have clicked, I would have got this option. Alright, now I have clicked tab. So it is got here written all program. So it's very easy as you can see. And now I will tell you what I have written actually. Here is first of all int. What is int meaning? Integer, as you all know. And after that I have written input. Then again brackets then my sentence. So int and input. Why I have written this both? That's why because I want my input as an integer. If I will write here string, so then there is no error. Alright. But if I write here integer, then there is no error. And I want my input as integer. So I will write here integer. And after that, I think you should would have understood this why I have written because I want as a integer my input. Okay. And after that, I'll write here enter the first number. Okay, I can write anything. But I have written here enter the first number. So here is perfect example. Its meaning is that we have to enter first number in our output in our console. Alright. So I forgot to tell you of this program which I am writing. Its output will not come here, it will come here. Not like VS Code, like this any console will come there, it will not come, it will come here. Okay, my console is here, and now I will write here too. I have got an option as you can see, it is bright, and now here when option will come, wait. So it is light, meaning it is not yet written. But if we will click tab button, so all will get written, the code will get right. So here is first number, then second number, meaning enter your first number and after that enter your second number. This perfectly you will understand when I will run the program. Okay. So here to save is as I integer I want input. And again I will go down. So here they are giving third option too. I thought they will not give, but they have given. So let's apply this too. Now I will click again tab and then I will go down. So what do you think? What would be written? Of course, if condition. I will do it again tab. So here is what. First of all, I will tell you one small thing. I will go some down. Yeah, and after that I will write here something in comment. First I have written here comment, and now I will write here greater than sign, comma, Wait, sorry. Yeah. Greater than sign, then comma, meaning wait, comma, then less than, like this all things. I will click again tab. So here, as you all can see here, in this if else, Python if else, we can use greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to sign, less than equal to sign, and not equal to sign. Okay, so if we write wait, this mark, so its meaning is what? It's not. So its meaning is not equal. Its meaning is equal. Again, I am making you remember. It's very important in every code language to write, especially in Python, to write for equal, double equal. If you will not write, of course, error will come and you will get confused just like this. In every video, totally, I have told you these things. So, as you all know, and you would be thinking that here is less than equal to, and after that greater than equal to. What its meaning actually? What its meaning? So its meaning is very simple, meaning greater than or equal to, meaning it's greater or equal to. I am not confirmed. From this both it is anything. Its meaning is this. Alright, in string like this, it is. In maths form, it is here, alright, meaning integer. In maths form, not in teacher form. Okay, so now I can write here. I will go down. I hope so you would have understand here. I will copy it. And after that, for making you understand properly, in the first line I will paste it. And from here I will get that you don't get confused. Oops, too much code I think. I will get some slowly. So here what we have written in if condition. A greater than B and A greater than C, meaning A is most greater number. Now we will do enter, and after that here will come one option. Why it's not coming? Because we didn't have given space. Alright, so it's not coming after space too. So what would be the issue? Its issue would be that we didn't have put here dots. Okay, it didn't give us the option of dots. It's very bad thing. It's alright, we can write ourselves through dots. And now as you can see here, option is given, and I will click tab, so it is got written. What is there? Print, brackets, double quotes, and after that the first number is the greatest. Okay, the first number is the greatest. But it's so boring. I'll write the okay the greatest number is, and after that here I will go first outside. I will go first outside these double quotes, and after that I have to write comma and then again double quote, just one double quote, and in between we can write our any variable which we have used. So here is the greatest number is A. As you can see here, A greater than B and A greater than C. So the greatest number is what? A. It's got okay now. And now again I will go down. So why any option is not coming? First of all, I will put here again dot. I will go down. So now as you can see, it is got maintained. How it's got maintained? First wait, I will get it. Yeah, so how it is maintained, because here it is maintained because if is first, and then we have here is some space from print. Why it is, now we will understand this, because its meaning is that print this all sentence is coming in if. Alright, meaning it's the partner of if condition. And I will go down again. I will cut it. And now I will write here L if. Yes. And after that I can write here. Wait. First here is any small error of which thing? Okay, I will look now. That is alright. Now just here is a small error. We will check it after some time. Just leave. So here first any option come, and that option is if b greater than a, and if is here. Alright, by mistake I write if, and after that b greater than a and b greater than c, meaning here b is the greatest number, then down we will go, and here is again option. I was coming because I written here dots. I forgot that we don't have to write front of this. So I will write here dots. Here is important, in this sentence we don't have to write. And wait, I will write here dots. I will go down and I will click tab. So it's got alright. So here is the greatest number is C. So now our every all code is ready. Every line is ready perfectly. So now we should revise one time whole program. Wait, I will do here one small thing. Here I can write, or I should not write. Let me think. Yeah, I should not write. It's giving just like this error. So you don't have to write front of these variables any of the double quote. Alright. Otherwise it is giving error. First I told you because it given its own option of that. So I thought this way should can be two, but which I read in that it was not. Then too I thought it can be, but now it is giving itself error. I don't know which problem it have. Then too. Now we have solved this error. We don't have to put front any of the double quote. Okay. So now what time we should revise? First of all, we have made three variables. In all, we have given as an input integer, and after that we have write into the first number, second number, and third number. And then we have written here if condition. In if condition A is the greatest number, and after that in elif condition B is the greatest number, and in else C is the greatest number, as you can see. Okay, so now the most interesting part is when we will run the program. So now we should run the program. Here is our console. Yeah. So here is, it was first error, leave it. Enter the first number. So I will write here any number by choice, like I can write 7 and then down. enter the second number. That's why we written this all. Have you understood now? I hope so you would have understood. And now I'll write here 9. Then enter the third number. I will write here 7. Again, I should write here 8. All numbers should be different. Then here is the greatest number is 9. So it's this much easy. But we can find from this too many things. How we can, I have given here an option of just numbers, okay? But I can give any other thing too, like if you are 18-year-old, you can go to drive car, or you are 16-year-old, whatever. But real is 18 years old, that's why I said. And other than you can write any first name, second name like this too. And you can write, you can go for karate for our age, and you can go in that age, in that age. It's got, okay? Too many like this. And same like this, you can say even like I can go to school in 5 years. I can go to school at 8 years. I can go college at 20 years. Like there's so many things you can do. Okay. No, yes, these all things. But I have given you a small example of just and just numbers. It was interesting, but you can make the quote more interesting. Alright, so I give you a small task. You have to make like this a program, and then you have to write in comment and send if you can do. If you can't, so listen repeatedly this program. And if you don't want to send your program in comment, do practice. If you don't want to practice and learn, so it can't be possible. Alright, you have to do practice to learn the Python language. Now, friend, difficult things are coming. How? First, we have learned loops. Loops we have learned. We have learned tuples, lists, and variables, data types, integer, other things. These all things will work, friend. But other things are more hard. How? We are going to learn now functions, loops, lambdas, and many other things. Loops are a bit hard, not too much. Then functions are some more hard, then lambdas are some more hard. Like this, too many topics we have learned. And then we will go in machine learning. And learning is too very hard. All right. So you have to practice those all programs which I write in the video. Okay, I write in the editor. You have to practice those all, not just we have the video and we have learned. Nothing will happen like this. Okay, so I think this one example is enough to make you understand of Python if else. In next video we will learn for loops. Okay, so I will tell you in detail what is for loops and what are the types of loops, everything. So till next video, Allah Hafiz.